There.
Oh yeah.
Nice. He won't have gone far.
Yeah, he's right there. He's right there.
Steer him out.
Spirit.
Where is he?
Spirit.
Just
There,
there.
right there.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Hello. So it is 10:57 p.m. Sunday, 2nd June, King's birthday. You probably will see. So we went on a daytime Mr. Salisbury Wharf, and we pretty much got nothing. So like not even a nibble. So I got this B&B. It came for Nikki's mum's birthday. Randomish. So we've got this underwater dynamite from the warehouse. It's the first one we've ever got. It's only been founding once by the way. And then a dish beer for being this Flounder. Nikki's gonna be on the torch, pointing into the water. Look at this.
No, you need to have that.
Nikki's got her gum boots, but I got my sand shoes. It's fucking freezing. Had some whiskey to warm me up, but let's see how we go. Wish me luck. Let's spread out a bit. Can you guys see the crab? You okay?
Yeah, if it gets wet, it gets wet. Fuck it.
Yeah. Let me know if you want to go back or anything. Oh my god, ew! A kawaii, ew!
Oh my god, ew! A kawaii, ew!
That's a cockle and the other crab was coming for it, fighting him. I don't know where it went.
It's a crab show! Oh, there's another crab.
Yeah, they're fighting for. There's heaps. Look, they're all coming. Look how many. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, if there's heaps of crabs, then there's surely there's flounder that come here to eat then. Crab man. It's the crab man. Hey, freeze! It's the police! It's the police! Hey! Oh, it's this boy! Hey! What's that? Did you get some flounder?
Oh, nice.
Still alive. Do you want it?
Nice.
Yeah, bro, keep it there.
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
Why not?
Yeah, take it back out.
Oh,
How many did you guys get?
Oh, we've got 2, but we let the other one go. It was way smaller than that.
Oh, it was solid. Did you just spear it right now?
No, we just netted it. It hasn't been.
Oh,
speared yet.
solid, bro. Bro, we'll just put it straight in there, bro.
It'll,
fluffer, man. It's not dead.
I'll fuck. I got a knife there. I'll put him out, eh?
oh.
Ah!
He won't have gone far.
Yeah, he's right there. He's right there.
Steer him out.
Spirit.
Where is he?
Spirit.
Just
There,
there.
right there.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
I can't believe you almost lost.
Hey, you speared it, brother.
Yeah, bro. Got my first one for the day, bro.
Do you want to use your handle? Just grab him underneath.
Hey, oh, he went straight through. Yeah, cheers, guys. Yo. You hold the bag.
I can't believe you almost lost.
Yo, these guys just
That
knit.
was a big one.
They just knitted it.
Did they just pick it out with the net?
Yeah.
They're not scared.
Nah.
Oh. I want to find more.
Where are you, Mr. Flounder? Where are you, Mr. Flounder? Where do you hide at night? Bro, how have we not spotted any baby ones or anything? Whoa. Is it still there?
Look, there's one here. Look, I can catch them with a net. Look.
Oh yeah, see it.
What is it?
Kawaii, is it? Or Mackie?
Kawaii. What is it? Spirit. Try spirit.
This is so much fun. Oh man, I had one but it went away.
Did you?
Yeah. Man, they blended in really hard, eh? He's right there, he's right there.
There.
Yeah.
There he is.
He is.
There he is. He's sitting there.
You ready?
Yeah.
Flounder! Big fish.